your location, let's focus.
It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Peace here, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my back to school makeup look. Basically, this look will have you looking like a baddie, and it's amazing because I'm smart and I know what I'm doing. This is the look I'm going to be wearing for the first 2 weeks of school. Then I'm going to go back to not caring and looking like Shrek. So let's get it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you need to. And don't forget to check out all my social media. It will be in the description box below. And comment down some more video ideas and just video stuff you want to see on my YouTube channel, because I'm going back to filming more videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to be combing my eyebrows through because I don't do my brows, so the least I can do is comb them through, you know, because they need to look normal. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to be going in with my primer. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Face Protect Lotion SPF 50 Protection. Yes. Basically, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 470, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my handy dandy beauty blender and just blending all of that in. I don't know why I'm tearing up right now. Oh my goodness. I'm doing my makeup. I don't know how some people look cute when they do their makeup. When I do my makeup, I look like a freaking monster. We're going to be going in with concealer. This is the MAC. That accent. It's the MAC concealer, and I don't know why there's no shade number on it or whatever. But yeah, I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes. Then we're going to be taking our handy dandy beauty blender and blending it all in. Next thing, we're going to be going in with mascara. And this is the Barely Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. And it is intense black. And don't worry if you get some on the lid of your eyes. You can always use a Q-tip to clean it up. And then after you're done, you're just going to do your bottom lashes. I go in with this black pencil, and I just line underneath my lashes. One of the final steps on my makeup routine is lip gloss. My lips are chapped, really chapped right now, so I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on them. And then I grab my lip gloss, and believe it or not, this lip gloss is from Claire's. So bougie on a budget, am I right? And then to finish it off, I go in with the Cover FX setting spray, and I just set everything. Let that dry. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you need to. And don't forget to check out all my social media. It will be in the description box below. Don't forget to comment some video ideas for me to do. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!